The 133rd China Import and Export Fair, known as the Canton Fair, is holding in Guangzhou, China from April 15 to May 5, 2023. Lidus, a leading manufacturer of high-quality PVC conduit products, also the first UL 651 listed supplier in China. Lidus owns not only the UL 651, but also have CSA, ASTM, CE, ROHS, IEC, and other related product certifications. At the fair, Lidus showcased a range of high-quality PVC conduit products. All products are complied with relevant industry standards. At the exhibition site, Lidus brand attracted a lot attention of many visitors. With high quality, safety, and innovation, Lidus impressed them deeply. Lidus, lead the safer electrical conduit systems.